Hey there, money-hungry viewers. Tired of that 9-to-5 grind? Dreaming of cash flowing in while you're lounging on a beach? The secret sauce to early retirement and financial freedom? That's the beauty of passive income, baby. Passive income is like having your money work for you 24/7. It's the financial equivalent of a golden goose laying golden eggs while you sleep. And guess what? Dividend stocks are one of the hottest tickets to hop on this gravy train. So, buckle up because we're about to dive headfirst into the exciting world of dividend stocks. Get ready to learn how to pick those winners, build a rock-solid portfolio, and watch your wealth grow, all while sipping margaritas on your private island. Let's make some money, people. All right, let's break it down, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of dividend stocks. What exactly are these magical dividend stocks, you ask? In a nutshell, they're like the generous friends in the financial world, always ready to share. You invest in their company by buying their stock, and in return, they share a piece of their profits with you, their loyal shareholder. Companies that are doing well often distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders as a way of saying thank you. This payout, my friends, is what we call a dividend. Think of it as a thank you for believing in their growth potential and sticking with them. And the best part? You get to decide how to use that sweet cash. Reinvest it to buy more stocks, save it, or even treat yourself to something nice. Now, dividends aren't always a fixed amount. They can vary. They can fluctuate depending on the company's performance and future prospects. If the company does well, you might get a bigger payout. But hey, that's the name of the game in the stock market, right? High risk, high reward. So keep an eye on those dividends and make informed decisions. Okay, so we know dividend stocks share profits, but why are they such a big deal? Why not just chase those high-growth tech darlings? Well, hold your horses because dividend stocks come with a whole buffet of benefits. First off, they offer a steady stream of income. That's right, predictable cash flow, raining down on you like clockwork. Forget about relying solely on stock price appreciation. Dividends provide a cushion even when the market throws a tantrum. Secondly, dividend stocks tend to be less volatile than their non-dividend paying counterparts. They're like the reliable, steady Eddie friends in the stock market, not prone to wild swings. This makes them a great option for investors seeking a smoother ride, especially those nearing retirement and looking for stability. Now, let's compare apples to oranges, or rather, dividend stocks to other investment options. It's crucial to understand the differences and similarities to make informed decisions. How do they stack up against those flashy growth stocks or the seemingly safe haven of bonds? Each has its own set of advantages and drawbacks that cater to different investment strategies. Let's dive into the ring and see who comes out on top. Imagine a financial showdown where each investment type showcases its strengths and weaknesses. Growth stocks, those darlings of the tech sector, promise sky-high returns. They are often the stars of the stock market, capturing headlines with their rapid ascents. But they're also volatile and can be risky, especially for those with a lower risk appetite. The roller coaster ride of their prices can be thrilling, but also nerve-wracking. Bonds, on the other hand, offer stability, but often come with lower returns. They are the bedrock of conservative portfolios, providing a sense of security. They're like the tortoise in the race, slow and steady. Over time, they can provide a reliable, if modest, return on investment. Dividend stocks, my friends, strike a beautiful balance. They offer the potential for growth, albeit potentially slower than high-flying growth stocks, along with a steady income stream. They offer the potential for growth, albeit potentially slower than high-flying growth stocks, along with a steady income stream. This makes them an attractive option for those seeking both income and growth. It's like having your cake and eating it too. With dividend stocks, you get the best of both worlds, enjoying the benefits of regular income while still participating in the market's growth potential. Section 5, Dividend Aristocrats, blue chip companies paying you back. All right, enough with the comparisons. Let's talk about some real-world examples of dividend-paying superstars, the Dividend Aristocrats. These are the royalty of the dividend world, blue chip companies with a long and illustrious history of consistently increasing their dividends. Think Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, household names you know and love. These companies have weathered economic storms and market crashes, yet they've consistently rewarded their shareholders with rising dividends year after year. Investing in Dividend Aristocrats is like hitching your wagon to a star. They offer stability, reliability, and the potential for long-term wealth creation. It's the kind of investment that can help you sleep soundly at night, knowing your money is in good hands. Section 6, Sector Spotlight, where dividends shine brightest. Now let's talk about where to find these dividend-paying gems. While dividends can be found across various sectors, some industries are known for their dividend-paying prowess. Think of them as fertile grounds for income investors. Utilities, for example, are renowned for their stable dividends. Everyone needs electricity and gas, right? This makes utility companies cash cows, consistently generating profits and sharing the wealth with investors. Another sector brimming with dividend opportunities is consumer staples. These are the companies that provide essential goods and services. Think food, beverages, household products. People need these items regardless of the economy, making them recession-resistant and dividend darlings. Section 7, Investing 101, your first foray into dividend stocks. This is where your journey into the world of dividend investing begins. Okay, ready to jump into the dividend pool? Hold on a sec. Before you dive in, let's make sure you have your floaties on. Before you start throwing money at every dividend stock you see, let's equip you with some essential knowledge. Understanding the basics can save you from costly mistakes. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the stock market. The more you know, the better your investment decisions will be. First things first, do your research. Investigate the companies you're interested in and understand their business models. Don't just chase high dividend yields blindly. High yields can be tempting, but they often come with higher risks. Look at the company's financials, their track record of paying dividends, and their future growth prospects. Consistency and stability are key. A high dividend yield could be a red flag, indicating a struggling company desperate to attract investors. Be cautious and dig deeper. Once you've identified some promising candidates, start small. It's wise to test the waters before making larger investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is crucial to managing risk and ensuring a balanced portfolio. Diversify your portfolio across different sectors and industries to minimize risk. This way, you're not overly exposed to any single market downturn. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Patience and persistence are your best allies in the world of dividend investing. Section 8, Dividend Traps, avoiding common pitfalls. All right, we've talked about the good stuff, but let's not sugarcoat it. There are pitfalls to watch out for in the dividend world. Don't worry, we'll guide you so you can steer clear of these traps and emerge victorious. One common mistake is chasing high dividend yields without considering the sustainability of those payouts. Some companies might offer juicy dividends to attract investors, even if their financials are shaky. This could lead to dividend cuts down the line, leaving you high and dry. Another trap to avoid is focusing solely on dividends and ignoring other crucial factors like company growth and valuation. Remember, a company that's not growing might not be able to sustain its dividend payments in the long run. Section 9, the long game dividends for sustainable growth. Now let's talk about the beauty of dividends for long-term growth and financial stability. Dividends aren't just about generating passive income. They can be a powerful engine for compounding returns over time. It's the snowball effect in action. When you reinvest your dividends, you're essentially buying more shares of the company. This means you'll receive even more dividends in the future, which you can then reinvest, and so on, continuously. It's a virtuous cycle of growth. This strategy, my friends, is the key to building lasting wealth. It allows you to harness the magic of compounding, turning small, consistent investments into a substantial nest egg over time. Section 10, building your dividend portfolio, a balanced approach. So, you're ready to build your dividend empire, eh? Great. But remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Creating a solid dividend portfolio takes time, research, and a balanced approach. Start by setting clear financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, funding your child's education? Knowing your why will guide your investment decisions and help you stay focused on your long-term objectives. Next, diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors, industries, and even geographies. This will help mitigate risk and ensure a smoother ride through market fluctuations. Section 11. Conclusion, embracing dividends for financial freedom. There you have it, folks. Dividend stocks, your ticket to passive income, financial freedom, and a brighter future. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making informed decisions, staying disciplined, and letting the power of compounding work its magic. Don't be intimidated by the stock market. Start small, learn as you go, and watch your wealth grow over time. With dividend stocks on your side, you can achieve your financial dreams and live life on your terms. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the world of dividend stocks today and unlock a world of possibilities. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now.